Hi, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Thank you all for stopping by my channel today. I hope you all are doing well and having an amazing Monday so far. Anyway, I want to thank all of my besties, my subscribers. I really appreciate you supporting my channel. And if you have not subscribed, I would appreciate if you did and you joined the Jean Home Decor and More family. So I do all kind of things. I do some DIYs, little DIYs, little DIYs. I do decor. I may cook. I haven't done a lot of clothes yet. I might in the future do some clothes, but I haven't done any outfits really as of yet. But I mean, I like florals. I like all things home decor. So look, I appreciate you guys stopping by to check out what I am up to. So you guys who have been here knew that after Christmas, I kept up some winter decor because, it was winter. It still is the winter season. It was winter, and I just didn't want to transition right to spring. So now we're at the end of February. It's the 27th. And so I'm starting to transition because, we've had a very mild winter. So I'm starting to transition into spring. So I did put out a few spring things. Like if you can see behind me, you'll see that I changed out some pillow covers. Um, from like a grayish color to white, and I have gold. And one of the two colors, or I'm sorry, the two colors that are trending for this year are considered indigo and like a gold color. And so I don't have anything indigo, like a blue color, but I do have gold and I do like the gold color. So I did switch out some pillow covers that are gold. And one of the reasons why I like switching out pillow covers is it kind of gives you a new look without really spending a lot of cheese. So that's why I like to do that. So I'm changing out a few things. One of the things that I did want to change out are these drapes, these beige drapes behind me. And one of the reasons why is because sometimes you want to have a different change of pace. You want to try a different look. So the thing about it is these have been up here since maybe 2020, 2021. I don't change out drapes all that much. And when I change these out, I'm going to keep them. So when the fall comes back in, I'll put these back up. But I really do like these drapes. I love these drapes behind me. I got those from Penny's, like I said, back in 2020 or the beginning of 2021. And the reason why I like them is because they're so neutral. Of course, they match my furniture in the living room, but beige, you cannot go wrong with beige. I mean, it's just neutral. It goes with everything. But since it's spring, I thought, well, maybe it'd be nice to change the color palette. Going for another, neutral color. So what I selected was this color from Amazon. Now, you can't really see this. I'm going to see if I can put it up to the camera. You can't really see this all that good. When I purchased this from Amazon, this looked a lot, lighter than it was. I really wanted something that was white, like really like a white beige, like whitish beige, like an antique white for a curtain or a drape. This is linen and it has little specks of brown in it. And it doesn't really go with those pillows in there. Would it work here in my dining room? It would work. But I'm not feeling the vibe in the living room. But like I'm kind of OCD. So I went to Penny's again. And I actually bought those first. I don't pick those up until March the 8th. But I got those drapes, and they are gourmet drapes and they're more of a whitish color. So I think at the end of the day, that's going to be the ones that I'm going to stick with, because this is giving more beige than I wanted it to. But that's the only disadvantage I find when you shop online, you know, at any store, you know, whether you're buying clothes, drapes, or anything, you know, you can only get what the camera is giving. So, you know, I'm not really feeling these drapes. I was thinking that I would put one up just to see how it looked, but I don't think I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna end up probably sending these back to Amazon. But what I'm gonna do is I wanted to kind of just show you covers though, like the texture of them. Look at that, aren't they nice? I do like that. I like the texture of these pillow covers. I got these from Amazon, of course. You know, but I like those. I really love them. It's a nice little change of pace for springtime. I just have to get a drape. I have to make sure I get drapes that just actually match them. Like I said, these drapes here are, you know, I'm not feeling the love for those drapes. So I think they're going to go back. I'm going to send those back to Amazon today. But I just want to kind of come around here and show you my kitchen. This is what it looks like after a weekend. This is what it looks like after a weekend. I haven't cleaned up anything yet. You can see I have some new placemats for my kitchen nook area, and had the granddaughters over this weekend. And so it's a wreck in here, but you can see what I do with blankets and throws. I cover up my sectional with them because, you know, they're in here, they're eating Girl Scout cookies, Thin Mints, you know, they dropping chocolate. So I need to clean all of this off. You know, I really enjoy having them here. So, hey, look, I'm not that, you know, I'm not that anal that I can't appreciate my kids. So, you know, I'll forego the furniture to have my grandbabies over here because I really do love them. And so, you know, hey, look, you know, you can always clean up some furniture. It's no biggie to me, you know, so I'll just straighten this all up so you guys can come back with me after I straighten up in here. It's like 11 o'clock. So I hope I'm able to get this done in the next couple of hours, you know, and I'll probably watch a little TV while I'm straightening up. I'm not going to have you stay on while I clean up the kitchen because I don't know, you know, I'll just have a clean slate to start and then you guys can help me. Okay? All right, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I have the kitchen all cleaned up, bare slate. But before we start styling, which I'm gonna ask for some feedback and some comments, and I really would appreciate it if you guys would give me a little feedback to let me know what you think. I wanted to go over some of the things that I have gotten. Some of these were on a previous haul. Okay, this is a newer find. I got this from Home Goods. And you can see this was $16.99. So I was on the hunt actually for items that were or that are brown, you know, some decor that, you know, that's brown and wood. So, you know, I thought that that would be a nice change of pace. And my kitchen is white and brown. So I found one on Amazon, but it was a little bit more expensive. So about maybe, I would say about $12 more expensive. So when I saw this at Ross, I picked this up. Now, some of these browns aren't exactly the same hue, but that's fine. I mean, that's fine. You know, it doesn't have to be. So this is one of the newer finds that I picked up from Home Goods, and I did not share this in a previous video. So that's one thing. Then I have this decorative bowl. I also picked this up from Home Goods, and I forgot, let's see, this is $12.99. This is $12.99. And then these little moths and, you know, little orbs, you know, I included those as well, okay? So I put these on top, you know, to decorate that little bowl, you know, and this little cupcake stand or cake stand, I picked this up from Home Goods too, and this was $24.99. Now this was on a previous haul, so we're going to style this today. And I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put them, and maybe wherever I put them today, I may not be married to the location. So it's a great possibility I may move them. So I'm just going to sit this here for a minute. Okay, because it has a glass top. Now, all the rest of these items I've shared with you on a previous haul. So these next things, those things were from Home Goods. These are from Ross. So this wooden tray is $7.99, okay? And this bowl, $5.99. And we have this small flower arrangement of greenery. Well, I don't want to say flowery, but green arrangement. This was $9.99 from Ross. And I shared these, all of these things I've already shared in a previous haul a few weeks back. And then this little decor plaque. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Okay, you see that? And this was $5.99. And I shared that in the previous haul. So these were all from Ross. You come around here. Then these two items I got from Marshall's. This one was $8 and I got an extra 20% off because it has a little bit of a slight crack right here. But I mean, who's going to notice that? So, and it sits up just a bit, but nobody's going to notice it. So I got this from Marshall's. And like I said, that was $8 with an additional 20% off. And I shared that in the previous haul, as well as this, you know, lamb's ear. This was also a Marshall's find, and that was $12.99. Okay, so those are the things that I got for decorating my kitchen. I did pick these up, some, you know, tea towels, and I might use this one, of course. Now I might use this one and then save this one for Easter, or I might save them both for Easter. But these also came from Home Goods, and they were $6.99. So these are the things that I got to transition into spring to give a nice little new landscape for my kitchen decor. However, let me just point out what I mentioned to you earlier. Once I buy these things, I'm not buying anything else, fingers crossed. I don't plan to buy anything else for my kitchen for decor for the rest of the summer. Okay, so let me just back so that you guys can see. One of the things that you will see that I did differently here is I had a plate in the corner over there, a decorative plate on a stand, and I decided to remove that and put a light there. I thought it would be really nice to have a light there. It does have a cord, so some way I will have to cover that cord up. But let's just start off with, you know, a little decorating, and then over here is the bar area, and I'm drinking some water, so, you know, but pretty much everything is all cleaned up, and we're starting with a clean slate. So let's start off with the cake stand. And I'll have to take all the tags off once I get everything situated. So perhaps I can put this here. And you know, you can have some coffee and some croissants or coffee and a piece of cake, or, you know, I might have some cupcakes there. So I thought I would put that there. And then moving over here, and again, I'll take the tags off once I get everything situated. So I can put that there. Or maybe I'll put this over here like this. Okay, and of course, I can put that there to my two-tier wooden tray. And then I need something in this corner. So let's see. I could put that there. So, you know, you have something that looks like that. Okay? Well, let's see what we have here. I actually thought I would have enough room to set this there, but I'm going to set this behind that. Can I do something like that? No, I don't like that. Okay, that works. And now, for this item here, I can put this on my table. And let's go back and get this. And I need to go get another candle. Hold on just one second.